In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct an accidentally rotated computer screen by adjusting the display orientation settings. This is a quick and practical solution, perfect for both laptop and PC users. So let's dive right in. We've all been there. Perhaps we hit the wrong keys or something seemed to glitch and suddenly our screen is sideways or upside down. It can be quite a frustrating moment, leaving you scrambling to find a solution. But worry not, as I will guide you step by step to rotate your screen back to its normal orientation, ensuring a smooth and straightforward process without the need to panic. First things first, as you're staring at that tilted screen, don't worry, we're going to take care of it. You'll start by moving your cursor over to a blank area of your desktop and giving it a right click. This action will open up a context menu, and right there, you'll want to select Display Settings. This is where all the magic happens, and it's just a couple of clicks away. Once you're inside the display settings, you'll notice several options laid out before you. For our purpose, we're focusing on the Scale and Layout section. It might be tempting to explore other settings, but let's stay on track for now. Now, inside this section, you'll find the Display Orientation drop-down menu. This part is crucial because it directly influences how your screen is presented. If your display is currently looking a bit off kilter, this menu is the key to setting it straight. Click on the drop-down menu and you'll see several options available. Most likely, you'll spot options like landscape, portrait, and perhaps even flipped variations of these. While these settings offer flexibility for special configurations such as portrait mode for certain types of work or flipped modes for unique setups, we're aiming for the standard view here to restore visual normalcy. To realign your display to its default orientation, simply select the Landscape option. Choosing Landscape will reset your screen to the normal horizontal view that we all know and love. Confirm this selection and watch as your screen snaps back to a comfortable, familiar display. There you have it, a simple reset that immediately resolves the issue. Screen rotation can accidentally occur, whether by an unintended shortcut or a software quirk. But now you know how to handle it efficiently. Feel confident moving forward, and remember this guide next time you or someone else experiences a similar screen mishap. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out.